Welcome. If you've noticed Facebook showing previews of your activity outside the platform and you'd rather keep things more private, you're not alone. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to turn off previews on Facebook using your PC following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand a few more options. Now, click on Settings to move into the full settings page. You'll now be inside your account settings. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of categories. Scroll down a bit until you find Followers and Public Content, then click on it. This section controls how your content is seen by others, including people outside Facebook. Keep scrolling until you locate the option related to off Facebook previews. Here's the important part. You want to disable this feature. Find off Facebook previews and switch it to off. Once it's disabled, Facebook will stop showing previews of your activity on external apps and websites. That's it. The change usually applies immediately, so you don't need to save anything manually. If privacy matters to you, this is a small but powerful setting to adjust. It helps limit how much of your activity is shared beyond Facebook itself. Take a moment to review your other privacy settings as well, just to make sure everything matches your preferences. Thanks for watching.